Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some butterfly wings or fairy wings that someone can wear on their back like a backpack. This is a relatively easy shape, but it's certainly a crowd pleaser. For this shape, you're going to need your handy dandy balloon pump, 4 260 size balloon twisting balloons. We're only going to be inflating 2 of these. The other 2 are basically just going to be the straps that go around your arms like backpack straps. Links to the balloon inflator and balloons can be found in the description below. You're also going to need to, you guys already know what I'm gonna say. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's a super small free way that you can show your support. You can also subscribe to my channel for some more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. We're going to be inflating both of the balloons that we're going to be using as the fairy wings almost all the way, leaving just a 2-finger length tail. Remember, a good rule of thumb is to let some air out before you tie it, and also continuously squeeze your balloon before each twist. There's not a ton of twists involved in this one, so you can use that knowledge for your other balloon shapes. Another option for you to prevent popping is to leave quite a bit of tail and then put pressure on your entire balloon and squeeze the air all the way to the end. Now we've softened all the air in the balloon and we have that 1-finger length tail that we need. For both of these balloons, we're going to tie the nub to the nozzle in a circle with a double knot. Before I connect these together, I'm going to make 1 ear twist in one of these balloons. To do that, I'm going to create a 1-inch bubble. For this part, you're going to want to twist the bubble that's closest to this nozzle, or else it's going to be kind of difficult and your entire balloon is just going to be spinning in circles. Orient this bubble on top, pinch the sides together with one hand, and with your free hand, lift it up and twist it around. Now I'm going to find the middle spot of this balloon by pulling it lengthwise. And now that I've found that middle spot, I'm going to push it together with this twist over here and twist them so that I have 2 separate loops. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this one where I find the middle and push it to this other twist and create 2 loops. Now that I've got these, I'm going to connect both of these joints together. An easy way to do that is just put the joints together and then twist 2 of the opposite colors around each other. Now I'm going to connect my 2 wearable straps. I'm just going to take the end of these and twist it around this joint as many times as I can. Now I'll take the ends of these and do the exact same thing. Now that we have our 2 wearable straps attached, we're going to reorient it. I like to orient mine so that one color's on top and the other's on the bottom, but you can orient yours however you want. I want my top wings to be facing forward and they're going to be sitting in the creases of the bottom wings. Now it's time to put them on. I've got to be honest, it's very difficult to orient these while you're wearing them, but luckily for you, you're most likely going to be putting them on somebody else and you can orient it and just make sure that that ear twist that you created is facing away from their body. And there you have your wearable butterfly/fairy wings. If this was helpful, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's a super small free way that you can show your support. You can subscribe for more balloon twisting, personal finance, and business tips. Let me know in the comments below what content you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.